Hey everybody, today I'm here to talk to you about this new security camera I picked up recently. This is a outdoor solar powered wireless security camera. This is the camera unit itself. It is a 360-degree pan, 90-degree tilt camera. It's completely wireless, connects through Wi-Fi to your app on your phone. This has the ability to do onboard SD storage, also does cloud storage if you choose for that option. It has smart human detection on it, so it will detect humans, like people walking through your yard, so you don't get as many false alerts from leaves and stuff blowing through your yard. It is a night vision camera as well. It has the ability to turn on infrared so you can get nice clear images at night. It is a 1080p HD camera. It also has the ability to do two-way audio. Like I said, it is solar powered and it comes with everything you need to install this and get it up and running. The only thing you would need to provide yourself is a drill and a 15/64 drill bit, 6mm drill bit, and a screwdriver or screw gun. It comes with the solar panel, the brackets to mount it, the camera itself, all the wiring that you need to connect the solar panel to the camera, and all the screw kits, screw sets that you need to set it up. Also comes with a nice little handy mounting diagram so you know where to put your drill to screw your holes in. With that, I'm going to go up and get started installing it. So there you go. I have it now installed. Now just finished installing it. It's actually pretty simple to get up there and install. A few screws, one cable, connect the solar panel to the camera. Boom, ready to go. Downloaded the app. It's got it all set up. It's connected to my Wi-Fi, and it's got a pretty nice image. Actually, I can show it to you right here. And like I said, it's got all the controls on it. It's got the PTZ, so you can move it around, zoom it up, move it up, move it down, pan your yard. And I've already got plenty of alerts on here from me just being in front of the camera down, installing it up there. Two-way intercom, push to talk, nice and loud. Like I said, it was easy, nice easy camera to install. This camera can be used anywhere you need it to be used. Me myself, I put it in my front yard to watch my front yard, but you can work just fine in your backyard. You could use it to watch your pets, your kids in the backyard playing. But me, I need it in my front yard, so that's why I have it installed. Excellent camera, highly recommend it.